Welcome everyone. So today we are going to understand how to solve this kind of an indices problem. See students, please understand, when you are getting confused, you start with the very basic step. Okay. So now in your LHS, what we can do is we can take 7 raised to x common. Okay. And when I do that, I'm left with what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 777. Okay. Now, obviously, this then comes out to be what? 7 raised to x into this bracket is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 gets you 3 is equal to 777. Okay. Now, in order to find the value of x, we'll first try to shift the numbers on one side of the equal to. Okay, so this is cancelling and we are getting 3 ones are, 2s are, 1 is left over, so 5s are, and then 2s are, so you're left with 9. So now your question changes to 7 raised to x is equals to 259. Now let's try and see whether 259 is getting divisible by 7. So let's try to find the factors. 7 ones are gets you 3 and then we are left with 4, so 37. Okay. So when you divide 259 by 7, you get the answer as what? 37. So here what we'll do is we'll write 7 raised to x as nothing but what? 7 into 37. Now I'll tell you why did I do that. Why did I write 7 raised to x as 7 into 37 and not as 259? The reason being, see, now we have x in the index. Okay, so in order to find the value of x, we will have to use log on both sides of the equal to. Log of 7 raised to x is equals to log of 7 into 37. Okay, now remember, whenever you have to find log of any number raised to an index, what happens is that that index comes ahead. So you get the answer as m into log of that number. Using the same logic, the x will come ahead. So here your question changes to x log 7 is equal to. Now, one more rule of log says log of a into b is nothing but log of a plus log of b. So using the same logic, I will say log of 7 plus log of 37. Now, as you all know, the rule which says that in order to find the value of a variable, we shift every number on one side of the equal to and let the variable be on the other side. So we will divide both sides by log 7. Now this is cancelling. So you're left with x is equals to, let's split the numerator with the denominator. So here we are getting log 7 upon log 7 plus log 37 upon log 7. So here if you see, this is cancelling. So we are getting 1 plus log 37 upon log 7. So now basically we got the value of x as nothing but what? 1 plus log 37 upon log 7, or you can even write this as nothing but what? 1 plus log 37 to the base 7. Why? Because log of any number divided by log of another number can also be written as log of the numerator and the base becomes the denominator. Okay, so either this is your answer or this is your answer, and we can also put the value of log 37, that is nothing but what? 1.5682, and log 7 value is nothing but what? 0.8451. So when you divide this, you get the answer as 1 plus 1.8556. Final answer is nothing but what? 2.8556. So that, my dear friends, is the answer for this particular question. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.